Good morning, guys. I wanted to show you guys how patience is really a virtue when it comes to day trading. Sometimes, yeah, we move fast, but you gotta be able to be like a sniper and sit there and wait and wait and wait until the right moment. Okay, so basically, I know go time is right over here, this area. This is go time. This is when you punch it. So my order is basically sitting there waiting. Now this stock popped up on the scanner. It was halted. So once it was halted, it popped up on the scanner. So I know sometimes, stocks that are halted, they have some kind of momentum. And so I'm getting ready to jump in, and I want you guys to see like how I was very patient and I had to wait for the right moment to jump in. Okay? So let me play this video for you guys really quick. I'm probably gonna have to fast forward it because this one took a little bit of a time because it got halted a couple times. So right now it's actually halted. So let me play this for you guys. All right, we're gonna fast forward this a little bit. Fast forward, fast forward, fast forward. Okay, boom. Now it's back in play. So I know go time is right there. So basically my order is just basically sitting there waiting to get filled. I typically buy 3,000 shares at a time. So now I'm waiting. We gotta fast forward this as well. Just waiting for the right time to strike. You gotta wait like a sniper. I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit more because this took a little bit longer. Okay, here we go. I'm waiting for it to jump above there. Patience. Boom, I'm in. So it's pulling back a little bit, but again, it's not going below my entry point. Obviously, if it turned around the other way on me, I'd be selling very fast. But now it's up to 778. I probably should have sold right there, but I didn't. I was hoping that it went up to about $8 or so. And so now it is halted again. So now, when it gets halted, I guess the orders are coming in too fast. And so they need a little bit of time to slow down and put these orders through. I'm not even sure why they keep having halts. Halts should not even be. I mean, it's 2020. They should like do away with halts by now. So I don't know. But now it's halted for 5 minutes. So basically, it's halted at 9:42:13, which means it's gonna open up back at 9:47:13. So we're gonna fast forward this to 9:47. 9:47:13. Okay, so now we're just gonna watch it from here. It's gonna open up. I'm expecting it to pop over $8, and it's not. So now I'm selling. Boom, boom, boom at 760. I'm selling, and as you can see, I made the right decision selling at 760. Because typically, if when it goes into a halt, it normally opens up a lot higher, and if it doesn't open up a lot higher, if it's I'm selling. So I'm getting out. As you could see, I made the right decision. It kind of tanked after that. And that's basically how it happened today. You had to be patient because some days are not, as volatile as others. So now, you don't want to keep risking your capital. So you want to just take profits and get out. But yeah, I could have sold up here right in the 770s, 775s. But I ended up selling at 760. Still a green day. Not too bad. Hope you guys got some value out of this one. Also, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And now, guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to call my real estate clients because I got to close some deals as far as the real estate side. So you guys know I day trade stocks for about an hour a day. It is 9:47. The bell rings at 9:30. So I'm pretty much done trading. So now I'm going to follow up with a couple clients of mine on the real estate side. I actually just had a call. I just missed a call while we're on this training. So I got to call this guy right back. He's one of my guys that I'm doing a deal with right now. So I got to finalize some paperwork, and he's leaving me messages now. So now I got to call him right back right now. So I got to get off this video. So I'll chat with you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll chat with you guys another day. All right, cool.